Master of Ceremonies, Turangana Tui Una, village elders, Dio Tavini, invited guests, members of the respective youth clubs, government officials, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bolo Vinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. I'm delighted to be here with all of you this afternoon in Tavuni for the handing over of the gym equipment and also handing over the grant to the 3 youth clubs. Firstly, I would like to extend my appreciation to the villagers for a warm welcome and would like to say Vinaka Bakalev. As our Honorable Prime Minister stated many times, that one of the key priorities of the Fijian government is building a healthier Fiji. While we are making the necessary investment in improving the quality of and access to the health care, we also are doing what we can do to get the Fijians moving. Exercise is a key part of a healthy lifestyle. And one of the best and most fun ways to do that is through sport and recreational activity. So here I am today, happy to be able to hand over this new gym equipment so that your community and nearby communities as well can train safely and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Fitness and athletic competition are a big part of our national life. We cannot all be Olympians, but we can all appreciate and participate in physical activity, and we all should. With the upcoming Wairiki Sevens in December, we are hopeful that this gym equipment will assist the rugby and the netball teams to attain your fitness level. I'm also excited to see you make use of this new gym equipment and look forward to seeing athletes from this village continue to excel. On the other hand, ladies and gentlemen, as I mentioned earlier on, that I'm also here to hand over the farm equipment to the 3 youth clubs. That is in terms of farming tools, vegetable seedlings, and so on. With the materials that I will hand over today to the 3 youth clubs, I'm told that a total of 76 youths will going to benefit out of this assistance. These 3 youth clubs are already heavily involved in dalo farming. And here in Taveuni, about 80% of the dalo is produced in this district of Buna. And therefore, this assistance will only add value to the already existing activities in the respective farms. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to thank the landowners who have given their concern for the youths to do farming. Can we all put our hands together and thank the landowners for their understanding in this partnership? In fact, this is a partnership between the landowners, Ministry for Youth and Sports, and the youth clubs. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to extend my appreciation to all the other organizations and stakeholders who have provided assistance to help these youths as well. With those words, I wish you all the best and wish you well in your future endeavors. Vinaka, and thank you. Naka. Naka.
Kamu sebut mana? Right. Up. Betul tak apa? Right. Lagi. Right. Set.